Hey guys, Dan and welcome back to another video of mine, and today's DIY is going to be a DIY stickers video and a second method actually, because I already have a first method on how to make stickers on my channel, so check it out if you'd like. So starting off with materials, you'll just be needing some clear packaging tape, parchment paper, and a laser printer, and just make sure that it's a laser printer, nothing else. So here is just the design that I'm doing. I just made this on canva.com, and just go ahead and download your design and paste it onto a Docs or Microsoft Word and put on how many ever of that image you want, and just make sure that you print it out in black and white, because this method only works for black and white photos. So once you have your picture, just go ahead and grab your clear packaging tape and place it over the image, and just make sure that your image is also smaller than the width of your clear packaging tape, just to make sure to cover it entirely. And then just go ahead and grab something to sear the tape. I'm just grabbing my scissors and just pressing it really hard and making sure that the ink adheres to the tape. And then just go ahead and grab your scissors and cut around the image, making sure to only leave the tape on top of the image, and you can cut out in a square or whatever shape you'd like. And then just go ahead and grab a bowl and fill it with some warm water and completely submerge your pieces in the water and soak it for about 5 minutes. So once you've done that, just go ahead and grab your parchment paper, cut out a piece that should be big enough to place your stickers on, and just go ahead and grab your piece of paper and flip it over to the paper side and just start peeling it off. And it should come off pretty easily. If not, then just soak it a little bit more in the water and then it should come off. Let's show it one more time because it's super duper satisfying. Damn. So once you've done that, the stickers should be still sticky enough to place onto the parchment paper, and just cut around it, and now you can store it until you need to use it, and you're done. And then I put the sticker on top, just because I think it looks really cute.